Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Career Maker for Government Job. In this video, we will discuss about important questions regarding your competitive exam. So before starting this video, friends, please subscribe my channel. Now let's start the video. So first question is, power plant that use kinetic and potential energy of water to generate electricity is called? Option A, nuclear power plant, B, hydroelectric power plant, C, thermal power plant, and D, biogas power plant. And the answer is hydroelectric power plant. So the power station where electricity is produced by using the energy of flowing water to drive generator is hydroelectric power station. Number 2. Which one of the following is not a fossil fuel? A, liquefied petroleum gas, B, coal gas, C, compressed natural gas, and D, biogas. And the answer is biogas. Biogas typically refer to a mixture of different gases produced by breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. Biogas can be produced from raw materials such as agriculture waste, municipal waste, green waste, or food waste. Biogas is a renewable source of energy. Number 3. In hydroelectric power plant, A, electricity is extracted from water, B, kinetic energy is possessed by stored water is converted into potential energy, C, water is converted into steam to produce electricity, D, potential energy is possessed by stored water is converted into electricity. And the right answer is option D, potential energy possessed by stored water is converted into electricity. Now come to our next question, number 4. Which among the following is not a renewable source of energy? A, solar energy, B, coal, C, hydropower, D, geothermal energy. And the answer is option B, coal, because coal is a non-renewable energy source. Number 5. Which one is a non-renewable source of energy? A, ocean wave energy, B, wind energy, C, solar energy, D, natural gas. And the right answer is option D, natural gas. Natural gas is non-renewable source of energy. Number 6. The main constituent of biogas is option A, ethylene, B, methane, C, hydrogen and oxygen, D, oxygen and ethane. And methane is the right answer. Gases released in biogas are methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfate. But production of methane is highest, that's 75%. So it is the main constituent of biogas. Number 7. The minimum speed of wind which is required to run a windmill is option A, 15 km per hour, B, 35 km per hour, C, 25 km per hour, and D, 5 km per hour. And the right answer is 15 km per hour, option A. Number 8. The capacity of windmill farm situated in Kanyakumari is option A, 1200 megawatt, B, 1250 megawatt, C, 1500 megawatt, D, 1420 megawatt. And the right answer is option C, 1500 megawatt. The Mappandal wind farm is India's largest wind farm. This project was developed by Tamil Nadu Energy Development Agency. Its installed capacity is 1500 megawatt. Question number 9. Fuel used in thermal plant is option A, water, B, uranium, C, biomass, D, fossil fuels. Friends, large amount of fossil fuels are burned every day in power station to heat up water to produce steam which further runs the turbine to generate electricity. So option A is the right answer. Question number 10. How many forms of fossil fuels are there? A1, B2, C3, D4. So friends, there are 3 major forms of fossil fuels. They are coal, oil and natural gas. So option C is the right answer. Next is question 11. Trapped heat inside the earth is known as option A, heat energy, B, kinetic energy, C, geothermal energy, D, thermal energy. And the right answer is option C, geothermal energy. And the question number 12. Major pollutant produced during combustion of fossil fuels are option A, carbon, B, nitrogen, C, sulfur, D, oxide of carbon, sulfur and nitrogen. So major pollutant produced during combustion of fossil fuels are carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide. So option D is the right answer. Now come to our next question, number 13. Choose the incorrect statement. Option A, biogas is a renewable source of energy. Option B, the main ingredients of biogas is ethane and it gives a lot of smoke and also produce residue ash. C, we are encouraged to plant more trees so as to ensure clean environment and also provide biomass fuel. And option D, gobar gas is produced when crops, vegetable waste, etc. decompose absence of oxygen. So friends, the main ingredients of biogas is methane. It burns without smoke and leaves no residue. So option B is the right answer. So next is number 14. The power generated in a windmill, option A, depend on wind velocity, B. Depend on height of the tower. Option C is more in rainy season since damp air would mean more air mass hitting the blade. And D. Can be increased by planting tall trees close to the tower. So friends, power generated in a windmill depend on the velocity with which wind is moving. So option A is the right answer. Next is number 15. The temperature inside the solar cooker ranges from option A 500 to 100 degrees Celsius, B 100 to 140 degrees Celsius, C 150 to 200 degrees Celsius and D 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. So answer is 100 to 140 degrees Celsius, option B. So thank you for watching this video. So friends, if you like my videos and you want to get daily new updates, then please like and subscribe my channel.